In this video, we are going to be showing an example of using the compare mode tool to compare the water temperature at the surface against the water temperature at the bottom for a water temperature layer. So first, in order to do this, we need to turn on a water temperature layer that has 3D data. So we will expand this water temperature category and turn on NOAA CBOF's 3D water temperature. We'll go ahead and adjust the settings here so that we can see the data better. So set that to between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see the vertical slider populated here on the right. So by default, we're seeing water temperature at the surface. But if the user wants to compare water temperature at the surface versus at the bottom, we can go in here to the compare mode tool. We can turn that on. And for now, we have just one layer here. So the slider shows the same thing on both sides. But you can see we have this sigma slider here that populated for the left and the right map. So this pops up when a 3D layer is used. So for this example, let's leave the left map at the surface, and we'll change the right map to show data at the bottom. And you can see the difference in temperature, especially out in the open ocean. Where the water's deeper, you can see it's much colder, which we would expect.